Langley, Slough, Maidenhead, Twyford, Reading, Tilehurst, Pangbourne, Morley Streatley and Chelsea. This train is formed of...
Hello guys, welcome to the latest episode of Big Trip, and today I am at London Paddington, located on the Great Western Main Line terminus. Been a while since I've been back here, but today here at London Paddington you will be seeing services from Great Western Railway, Heathrow Express and TfL Rail and London Underground. So GWR, Heathrow Express, TfL Rail and London Underground. Partner there is a 387, that is the 0943 Great Western Railway service to Didcot Parkway, formed the two 387s. Didn't get the front of it, but the rear of it is 387 164. So it's been a while since I've been, as a London Underground train over there as well, you see quite a few of them. It's been a while since I've been back filmed at Paddington. One of the network rail managed stations of the UK as well, another one. Done a lot recently, but this is another one. Here you see 800 010 Michael Bond. That is what I believe to be the 10 o'clock Great Western Railway service, 1000 Great Western Railway service to Bristol Temple Meads. 802 112 is here not in service. 800 312 here is not in service. And that one 802 020 is the 1003 to Penzance. So we'll see quite a few of those. Joining me today at London Paddington is Tom Trainspotter and Scotland Ellis. Do check out their channels. You might have seen Scotland Ellis, he's in the 1000. You're in the 1000 club as well, aren't you, for subscribers? You're in the 1000 club, aren't you? No, you're in the 1000 club for subscribers, aren't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, I thought you were. I didn't know if you were or not.
Yeah.
I couldn't remember.
2,000.
Nearly 2,000, that's pretty good. What else am I going to say? Oh yes, if you do wish to check out any real-time updates on trips and posts, please do check out my Facebook group, the link's in the description. So without further ado, let's see what's on offer here, shall we? Let's get started here at London Paddington. Enjoy the video. Okay, departing over there is the 0945 Great Western Railway service to Swansea. That's formed of two IETs, two 5 cars to make 10 cars. This station has changed in the way that now most of the time you won't see what trains are on platform 1 and 2 because of the fact, and platform 3 possibly, because of the fact that this station has changed in that sense. You can't really see that because of the 802 being in the way. So because it's so long now, it's quite hard to see. This might be because it's only a 10 car, so a 9 car probably won't be so bad, but it's only if it's 10, I suppose. Our service calls at Reading, Swindon, Bristol Parkway, Newport, Cardiff Central, Bridgend, Port Talbot Parkway, Neath and Swansea. Also departing is 802 112 on an ECS. With London Underground stop over there. S stop, I think. So there goes that one. Also departing out there is a TfL 345. As well as arriving now is a terminating Heathrow Express service from Heathrow Terminal 5. 345044 or 64, one of the two. Heading over to Hayes and Harlington. Arriving is 332012. Down that one goes. This station is just so much full of flange, it's unbelievable. There's so much flange, it's crazy. Okay, next train to arrive is going to be a terminating Great Western Railway service from Bedwin. Just formed of a 5-car IET. Yes, IETs now do Bedwin, would you believe? It is 800-018. 802-018 even. Sorry, my mistake. Also departing out is the 0952 Great Western Railway service to Oxford, which I believe is 800-315. Or 015 even. No, it's 315. It's 800-315 departing. And that whistle you can hear there is a depot whistle from the underground stop. It's also arriving in at the same time. You can see in the background. That service there is, next stop is Slough, followed by Reading, and then Oxford. Oh hello, and also arriving in is another IET for Great Western Railway. I will find out where that's from as we're going. That is from Swansea. No, it's not actually. It's 800-307. It's an ECS of North Pole. No, it's not. Just to confirm, this is from Oxford, as well as also arriving is a TfL rail service from Heathrow Terminal 4, which is formed of a 360. It's 360-204. You see they're on the old Heathrow Connect livery still, but it's actually operated by TfL Rail now. Soon goes that one. So there goes that one in. Right, departing now is the 0955 Heathrow Express service to Heathrow Terminal 5. Oh, nice little one tone there. 332001. My God, there's so much flange here. It's so annoying and unbelievable, but there you go. Just to confirm, this 800 here is from Oxford. It's the 0958 arrival from Oxford, arriving a few minutes early. Here it is anyway. Okay, arriving in now is going to be a terminating Great Western Railway service from Swansea. 800-006 is the front. I think it might be 803. Is it? No, it's 006. Yeah, it's 006. On the rear, as some 387s go out, is 800 035. Also departing out there is 387 171. Yep. Heading out to Decote Parkway.
I can.
Starting here at London Paddington. Also one off Swansea also arrives here as well.
And also sitting up there is 802 020 with 802 021 forming 1003 wait heading down. That should be going up.
So there's that one. Okay, arriving over here is a 387. I just caught the clip a little bit late, but this is coming in from Reading, I believe. And it's 387 151, that looks like, at the rear. Just about saw the one at the end. So there goes that one coming in from Reading. Okay, departing now is the 1000 Great Western Railway service to Bristol Temple Meads, 800 010. My God, that is not holding back. That is a departure and a half. I didn't think they could go out that fast.
Now that one goes.
That's the future. Well, already the future's
The question
hit.
is, will it get in on time?
Probably not. Anyway, so let's carry on. That'll be the irony of that. It will depart really. Hopefully, it arrives in on time. I do hope it. It might even get in early, but like they normally do. But it could leave late. It could arrive late, but it might not even be its fault. So who knows? Anyway, so yeah, that's the 1000 to Bristol Temple Meads, and that train is full of Queen's Park Rangers fans. I wonder what they're going for. Okay, approaching in now, we've got the terminating 332 from Heathrow Airport Terminal 5, as well as departing is the 1003 Great Western Railway service to Penzance, 802 020. Well, here is 332 013. The rear of that one is 802 021, numerical order. Whilst also departing, we've got the other 1003 TfL rail service to Heathrow Terminal 4, which is 36204 departing again.
Yeah, and this train going out there was 802 020 001 heading 3 Great Western Railway service heading down. Coming out there was the 1003 TfL rail service to
Heathrow Terminal 4.
Heathrow Terminal.
There goes that one anyway. Okay, arriving now is the terminating Great Western Railway service from Plymouth, which is 802 101. This is the 0657 off of Plymouth. Also departing out is another London Underground S stock.
It's a S7.
S7 stock. I was close. Going over to Hammersmith. That is a Circle Line service. So there goes that one. There's 802.101 arriving up against 800.312. Nice shot that. There goes. There's that one. Okay, departing now is the 1007 Great Western Railway service to Bedwin, which is 800. I keep saying it. 802.018.
802.018. Bedwin. Next is a
S7 stop. Maybe. So there goes the service to So there goes that one heading over to Bedwin. That one calls at Reading, Field, Thatcham, Newbury, Kingsbury, Hungerford and Bedwin. So there goes that one. Whilst also popping in is a TfL Rail Class 345. Another train with the beedoo, 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 like I said in the Cambridge video, has those door opening noises. And my favourite, they just have a really nice little sound to them. It's 345047, and actually we'll see it pop up over here as well. That is coming in from Hayes and Harlington. I must admit, they do look fab. Another train that doesn't have the yellow front anymore, but they don't have to have that anymore, so there you go. Right, departing out now is 332, oh sorry, 012, heading out over on the 1010 to Heathrow Airport Terminal 5. They really do flange. You can't hear a single sound they make. All you hear is their flange. So that one there, giving you the calling points, is calling at Heathrow Central and Heathrow Terminal 5. That is literally it. Yeah. That is a very fast service. Right, next train to depart is 800.312. This is the 10:15 Great Western Railway service to Cheltenham Spa. Calling at Reading, Didcot Parkway, Swindon, Kemble, Stroud, Stonehouse, Gloucester and Cheltenham Spa. I'll admit they certainly don't flange as much as what, you know, other trains have done. I will admit that. HSTs used to flange in and out of this station continuously. Oh hello, and we've also got another 332 popping in. Speaking of things that do flange, here comes a 332. This one is terminating in, of course, from Heathrow Airport Terminal 5. It's coming on this side, I didn't realise. It is 332. 005. And that's terminating from Heathrow's Terminal 5.
Great Western Railway service to Bristol Temple Meads.
There's that one. Okay, the partner there is 345047. That's a TfL rail service to Hayes and Harlington. That's calling at Acton Main Line, Ealing Broadway, West Ealing, Hanwell, Southall and Hayes and Harlington. So there goes that one heading over to Hayes and Harlington. Right, next train to depart is going to be the 1022 Great Western Railway service to Hereford, which is 800-307, calling at Slough, Reading. I'll do the rest of the calling points after it leaves. A nice way from the driver, yeah. It's so funny that pretty much all the carriages on that train were absolutely packed, and you look at the rear of it, first class, and hardly anyone's in it. Not a lot of people want to pay a premium, do they?
Yeah.
So, unless you're Alfie, of course, and you want to pay a premium every time, don't you?
Yeah.
So
I do.
I'm kidding.
I do try.
Yeah. To be fair, it's good if you can do it. But anyway, so what was I going to say? Oh yeah, so that's calling it Slough, Reading, Oxford, Hanborough, Charlbury, Kingham, Moreton in Marsh, Evesham, Pershore, Worcester Shrub Hill, Worcester Foregate Street, Malvern Link, Great Malvern, Colwall, Ledbury and Hereford. I can't believe I just did that. But there we go. Okay, arriving in now, we've got a Great Western Railway service terminating from Hereford. What's also about to depart is the 1025 Heathrow Express service to Heathrow Airport Terminal 5. This is 800-308. And here goes the 332. It's 013 heading over to Heathrow Central and Heathrow Airport Terminal 5. $800 308 here.
Change at West Ealing from services to Drayton Green, Castle Barnwell.
And that's from Hereford. Right, arriving in now to terminating Great Western Railway service from Swansea. It's in the mornings and the weekend. This goes to half hourly from Swansea, so this is another one. So it is 800 302. Also departing out is a 387 for Great Western Railway. It is 155 and 144, I believe. Heading out to Didcot Parkway from London Paddington. That service will call it Ealing Broadway, Southall, Hayes and Harlington, West Drayton. The Didcot one then goes straight to Slough. No, there's Ivor and Langley, then there's Slough.
Yeah.
They then go straight to Maidenhead, Twyford, Reading, Tilehurst, Pangbourne, Goring and Streatley, Cholsey and Didcot Parkway. So there goes that one.
Yeah.
Right, arriving now. So, got a 5-car IET arriving here. It's and we've got another 332 arriving. That's from Oxford, I think. 800-016 indeed. And arriving in is another 332 from Heathrow Terminal 5, which is 332-004. There's 332004 terminating in from Terminal 5.
3375. Oops. Oh, Terminal 4.
Right, departing now is going to be a TfL rail service to Heathrow Terminal 4. This is 360 202, yes indeed. And also arriving in, we've got another Great Western Railway IET. It is 800 303 terminating in. That's terminating in from Paddington. From what? Terminating in at Paddington even. So there's that one. What's the part now? It is a S7 stop, or arriving in is an S7 stop for London Underground. This one is a Hammersmith and City line. No, it's not Circle Line. Oops, just because it said Hammersmith on it doesn't mean it's Hammersmith and City. Lesson learned for today. So 800 302 there. So as that one pulls in, I'm going to finish the video from Paddington here. So thank you all for watching this video from London Paddington. If you have liked what you've seen here, please do like and subscribe. Please do leave any comments, because I will get back to them as and when I can, and any recommendations are welcome, so please do leave us in the comments. Joining me today, of course, was Tom Trainspotter and Scotland Ellis. Do check out their channels. Departing out now, the final train will be Hammersmith City line, a Circle Line service to Hammersmith. So this station, I must admit, it's probably not as good as what it was, because of the fact IETs have pretty much taken over, but that was going to happen. I don't say the station is bad. I think the architecture is absolutely magnificent. I think Paddington is always going to be a good station, and it was good if you like walking around the station. I probably would just say that that's probably a better option if you wanted to film here, not standing in one place as we've learnt. But even standing in one place, you do get a good shot of pretty much all of the platforms. Like you've got IET, 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 Alfie and a Tom. So there you go.
I'm not a friend though.
So, but I mean, I must admit, I like Paddington and I will recommend it. I'm not saying it's a bad station, I'm just saying it's probably not as good as what it was. But that doesn't change how good London Paddington is. Definitely not.
Yeah.
So, overall here, I will give, I'll say the station's good. That's all I'll say. To finish things off, we've got a TfL Rail 345 terminating in from Hayes and Harlington, which is 345044. That was the one that left earlier. It wasn't 64, it was 44. So I was right the second time when I guessed both numbers. So whilst this one comes in, just to confirm, my next station is Ealing Broadway. Hopefully a bit of a better station for filming shots, because you'll be on the slower platforms where you'll see some of the stoppers. So I won't mind that so much. But also we'll see some fast trains on the fast platforms, which I won't mind either. So hopefully,
Should be good.
I mean, this station hasn't been bad. I would highly recommend Paddington. I would just say, just make sure you find the right place to stand, because this station does have a bit of awkward vantage. Overall though, very good. So, thanks for watching this video from London Paddington, guys, and I will see you at Ealing Broadway. Ealing Broadway, Tooting Broadway, something something, Arsenal. Who knows that song? I don't know why I had to do that.
Say goodbye.
Can remember the words. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye.